In this video, I want to show you how to restore your catalog pane in ArcGIS Pro. Sometimes you may mistakenly close your catalog pane or it's not showing at all. So if you are facing that issue, I'll show you how to restore it. The catalog pane, as you can see it on my screen, is a pane in ArcGIS Pro that allows you to easily access your data. For example, if you want to access the data in your local storage, so just come to computer and you can navigate to anywhere where you have your data. For example, if I have my data in my local disk, I can click here. Then I can now find my folder where I have my GIS data in my local disk and bring the specific data I want to use to the interface of ArcGIS Pro. But sometimes this catalog pane may be missing or not showing. For example, let me close it. If you mistakenly close it just like this and you are looking for it, you can't find it, this is how to restore it. To restore it, come to View, and here you can see this icon. This is the icon that represents catalog pane. So to restore your catalog pane, come to View and come under Windows. You see the icons here. This one is called catalog pane. Click on it. Your catalog pane will be restored. So in case your catalog pane is missing or not showing, or you mistakenly close it, this is how to restore it. Come to View, and under this option called Windows, come to this first icon. This is catalog pane. Once you click on it, it will be restored. So this is how to restore catalog pane in ArcGIS Pro. Thank you for watching.